a close call on the road. Watch carefully as this rider narrowly avoids disaster. At a Walmart store, this biker comes across a man causing trouble.
I can't wait.
Instead of ignoring it, he decides to capture the scene on camera.
Your Silverado 4x4? Say, guys. Threatening people in parking lots. Tough guy here. Thinks he knows me. What are you gonna do to me tonight? Got it on camera, he said you're gonna see me tonight. What are you gonna do? What you gonna do to me tonight?
Nothing.
Nothing? But out there you said you were. You said, I'll see you tonight. So what are you gonna do? I'm curious. What you gonna do?
I'm not man enough, bro.
You're not man enough.
No.
So you're threatening people, huh? Oh, what was that? Do something.
Shut the fuck up, bro.
Shut the fuck up. Walk away. Do what you're told. Walk away. Where you going?
Things take a turn when a rubber roller drops from this biker's bike, leading to an unexpected accident.
So I bought this little roller thingy for my back, and it won't fit in my backpack. And hey, the irony is for my back and it won't fit in my backpack. Ah! Ah! No! 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 Ah! No! No! Hey, it's so good. Just took a chunk off of it. Holy shit. Holy shit. God damn. Holy fuck. You okay? Oh shit. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. No, that's fine. Don't worry about it. It was a piece of rubber. Are you good? Yeah. Alright. No, it's fine. She's on her phone. Turn off your car. Are you okay? Are you okay? It's not, you want to step out of the car? Here, come on. Come step out of the car. It's fine. Don't worry about it. You're fine. Here you go. You want to step out of the car? No, it's okay. Don't worry about it. It'll be fine. You good? Yeah, it's fine. Hello, there's a girl who just ran into the back of another girl, and we're on Bay Area and 528, and I was wanting to see if you can send someone in.
Okay, you're on Bay Area and 528?
Yes, ma'am. If you make a...
Friendswood or where?
Yeah, Friendswood, yes, ma'am.
Okay, stay on the line because you got Santa Fe. Let me connect you. You're going to hear some clicks, but don't hang up, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Alright, hold on just a minute. Let me get you to Friendswood.
Alright.
Anybody hurt?
No, they're fine. They're fine. They're just a little shooken up.
Okay, stay on the line. Just
Alright.
let me get
Alright.
Friendswood for you. Hold on.
Sounds good. You okay? It's fine. It's not your fault. You turned your hazards.
I did. I had him on.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm calling.
Where is your emergency?
Hello.
Sir?
Someone just got into an accident on Bay Area, right past 528 and in between 518.
Are there any injuries?
No. The lady who ran into the back of the other lady said she's pregnant, but I don't believe she is or not. But she's crying, so if you could send someone, I'm not sure.
What type of vehicle vehicle are you in, sir?
Oh, I'm on a motorcycle, but the people who got into an accident, it's a Ford Focus and a Acura TSX.
Okay, what color is the Ford Focus?
Silver, gray. It's more of like a dark gray.
And the Acura?
The other one is the same color, dark gray.
And they're still on the roadway?
Yes, ma'am. They're still in the middle. I think the car's totaled, honestly.
Can I get your name?
Nima, N-I-M-A.
And were you involved in the accident?
No, ma'am. I was just on the other side of the street, and the girl turned on her hazards, and then just crashed into the other girl.
Okay. But again, there's no injury?
Yeah, the girl's shaking up. She's got a cut on her. The girl's shaking up. She's got a cut on her leg, and she says she's pregnant. So you should send an ambulance.
Cut on her leg.
Yeah, that's another bystander.
Ex-firefighter stopped by to check.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get an ambulance en route.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, bye.
She said she was watching you.
Yeah, see what happened was you see that little foam thingy? It fell out of my backpack, and she ran it over, so she stopped and turned on her hazards. And I believe she was like texting and driving or something. I wasn't paying attention.
She said she was looking at you and didn't see her car stop.
Yeah, and then just ran into the back of the other one. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm gonna get her.
Yeah, no, I called the cops. She's gonna come and like, she's paying for the whole thing because it's her fault. 'Cause she hit the back of you, so. I'm sorry, 'cause I feel like it's my fault. I'm sorry. I feel like it's my fault personally. Like.
Oh, I thought I ruined something. And I was
No. It was like a foam. Like I had like back pain from on my bike, so I bought it to like stretch my back more. It's just like a piece of foam. Like I just bought it, so.
Nima, right?
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Não presta não pra fazer loucura perto desse bicho não, pô. Que variação, pô. Abra aí, Rochedo. Arrombar. Daqui. Eita. Caralho. E aí, que esses caras é foda.
Brian spots a man putting his hands on a woman. Concerned, he steps in to ask what's going on.
Jeez, man, what the hell's going on? Is this yours? You okay? Okay, cool. I hate that, man. Ask if they're okay and they say they're okay. I don't know what else you can do. Fucking sad, man. Damn. Even though that girl said she's okay, I don't know. Are you sure you're okay? Bro, you can't be beating on no girl, bro. No.
Oh, here! Hey! Hey! What is your problem?
In this neighborhood, tensions flare when a man starts shouting at bikers while his wife desperately tries to calm him down.
Wat er maar lekker een bel hier doen. Ja?
Wil alsjeblieft doorrijden!
Maar we hebben kanttekens en al. Wees blij om 8 worden.
Ja, maar dat geeft niet.
8 worden.
Hou op!
Opdonderen. 8 worden. Oprotten. Omdat ik dat zeg.
Het is goed, ze gaan
Anders heb je een probleem.
Ze gaan door! Jij gaat naar hem! Nu!
8 worden, jongen.
Ga naar hem!
Handen los.
Ga alsjeblieft!
Bloedzakken.
Nee, kijk naar hem!
Dit is de laatste keer, hè, maat. 8 worden, hoor. Dan komen we er weer naar buiten, maat. 8 worden. Dan schiet ik je eraf, hoor. Geloof me. Ja, daar, ja. Ja, daar, ja.
Kom!
Je begrijpt het wel. Ja, klein.
Dan moet dit ons zo niet benaderen.
Nee, oké.
Doe normaal.
Nee, maar ja, hij is nogal heel hoofdig.
Ja, dat zie ik.
Nee.
Goed dan.
Ik vind het wel leuk. Maar ga je hier nou een stukje naar even kijken.
Is goed, is goed.
De tweede weg, rechts. Kijk naar de krommeslag?
Ja.
Dat grens. Dat kost ik ook altijd. Met de kont.
Maar je moet als je runt en het is een hele dag en dan...
Hier komen de auto's die racen heel de dag en dan heb je de racemotors. De racemotors komen hier om de huis voorbij. En bij hem is nou, die hebben een klein kind, dus het is net iets te veel, snap je hem?
Oh, tuurlijk. Politie al onderweg, jongen.
Zeg tegen laat gewoon even doen.
Ja, natuurlijk.
Niet reageren.
Dus ik er nog wel zo'n ongepet feitje.
Maar het is gewoon omdat die kleinkind, die hebben een kleinkind en dan...
A driving school car suddenly cuts into the path of this rider. Naturally, the biker isn't happy and decides to confront the driver.
Mai ești instructor în pula mea! Lasă dracu telefonul! Ești instructor, ești nebun la cap! Taci pula mea! Oricum nu te aud!
Scuze, nu?
Ce?
Scuze, și eu m-am băgat.
Pula mea, ești instructor, frate, ați înnebunit toți! Și voi și taximetriștii vă urcați pe noi! Ce pula mea faceți, frate?
Ușor!
Păi ușor! Ușor, asta e explicația, ușor, băga mi-aș pula în voi!
This rider has no idea police are following him. Watch what happens when he finally notices.
Joel was almost bad.
Another close call, and another reminder of just how unpredictable the roads can be. A reckless driver makes a right turn without signaling, putting everyone around him at risk.
Yeah, this video right here, boys, this thing went super viral. Alright, so the guy that wrecked was my friend. The other two that hit each other, no idea who they are. But I was actually talking about him in my video before he ended up crashing. Alright, boys, and I'm gonna go ahead and just pause it every time I need to talk.
In that clip, a lot of people said, why did I put my bike down? Dude, I put my bike down because it was thousands of bikes, and I used it as a kind of a shield for me and him, so that way in case somebody comes in, boom, they hit my bike, they don't hit me. Alright, here's where the no homo part comes in, boys. A lot of people are like, why you go straight for the belt? Why you go to do my boy like that? Why did you get in his pants like that? Why were you so desperate to see that megalodon? But in all honesty, if you can tell in the video, it looks like his belt is caught on his brake levers. I don't know, it just looked like it had so much tension around it. So my point wasn't to get his pants off. It was just to unbuckle the belt so I can pull him off. Everybody's like, well, the guy was already saying to pull him off. Yeah, I already knew that. But I wanted to take the belt off because the belt had tension on it and it was not easy to pull him off. But dude, after that all was said and done, I pulled him off. Adrenaline was a hell of a drug. As you can tell, I pulled a 200-pound guy with little to no effort, which was crazy. I thought someone actually helped me,
but I looked back at the video, and it was just me. All said and done, boys. I'm glad my boy's good. Honestly, all that mattered was that my guy was good. I should have said no homo right here.